And we're off. Hey guys. Hello.
Whatever that is.
Woo. Yee. Oh my gosh. If you look closely, there's literally manatees all around us. That was a fish. You guys see anything crazy? Yeah?
See any dolphins?
Nope, not yet. High hopes though.
Alright.
That doggo's living the life. They said manatees, dolphins, gators, birds, bunch of stuff back here. Exciting things for us to see, so hopefully we'll catch a sighting of something back here in the bayou. Peaceful. Gator hunting. Just out here hunting for a gator. I don't even know what kind of sound a gator makes. Don't they like hiss? Wide open spaces. If you guys dare me to jump in, I will. Really? I will. I will. I want to. Hey, how's it going? You guys see anything crazy? No? We saw a manatee. Just out here making buddies. Well, hopefully we'll see a gator. The lady that checked us in told us that if we see a gator, not to put our paddles up in the air because they think it's a threat and they're more likely to attack. So, I can just tell you if I see a gator, I'm getting the heck out of there. Gotta turn the camera on first. I'm sweaty. If I didn't have a bunch of stuff in my yak, I would accidentally tip over. It like surprises me that they don't give any training. Like they're not worried about if you fall in. That's crazy. And they said they've never had a gator attack, so I guess that's good. But they literally just give you a kayak and an oar and a life jacket and say, bye. Oh, and it's also supposed to rain. It's beautiful right now, but we might get stuck in a rainstorm on the way back in. Huh? Let's see here. We're at the first bend, but that means we've only done one line out of 3. We still have a long way to go.
Oh, it was just a paddle. I was like, man, you guys have something.
What was it?
It was your paddle.
Oh.
You like starting to like change direction. And the dolphin coming up. Dolphin!
You're lying.
Right there.
Let's go.
It's like right in front of us. Like you both see it. It's like.
Oh, it's a manatee. Right there. Oh my gosh. He's literally, look at him. Oh my gosh. I think that's a gator.
That's a gator.
That is a gator. Oh my God, bro, that's a gator. Y'all. No, that's manatee. Yeah, look, it has no spines. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a manatee right here. But there was, Katie also saw a dolphin. What are you doing there, big guy? Do something crazy. Oh, I thought that was a gator, bro. I was tripping. I still don't know. He's just sitting there. He sounds scary. Katie, look at your face. I'm gonna go over towards this thing. What if it's a gator though? Dolphins! Katie, they're over here. Manatee. Oh. I think we should go over there. Oh, I can see him. Yo, I'm so close to this thing. It's got hair on it. I'm actually scared. It's not a gator? It's not a... Hi! No, it's not.
It's me.
Oh. It's right over there. Hi! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's right here. I could touch it. I don't think I'm allowed, but hi, little beautiful. Hi.
It's crazy.
Hi. You are so precious. Oh my gosh. Everyone smile. Oh, he's rolling. His belly! He's showing his belly. Oh, he's gonna show his tail.
Okay.
Oh. Oh, he's coming towards me. There's two. I'm so happy. Hi, guys. He's going underneath me. Hello. Oh. Oh. He's under me. Oh, he's hitting me. I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Wow. I am absolutely stunned. Are you tripping? Being that close? Dude, it knocked my kayak and I was like, I'm going in with it. I can like see it. Oh. Oh. Oh, dolphins! I don't know if you guys saw that. There's dolphins! Dolphins, manatees, everything. I am shook. They're coming. They're coming, Katie. Come over here, dolphies. Oh my gosh. Best day of my life. Oh, they're going that way. Come over here. I can literally see his whole body. I don't think the camera can. Oh, this is a baby. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. I'm getting too close. So crazy.
That's so cool.
I am tripping out. Like, wow. Hey.
What's up?
Are you able to FaceTime me?
Yeah.
Try to do it. About to show you something that's gonna blow your mind. We saw manatees and dolphins.
Where are you guys at? Like, is it just anybody can go out there?
Yeah. The mom literally went under my kayak and nudged me. It was crazy. But do you see him? He's so cute. Look at him. He's so cute.
So how deep is it?
I don't know how deep it is.
So you can hear them breathe.
Yeah, they're loud. That's why we thought it was a gator at first. Come over here. Okay, we're heading out. Super crazy. How do we get out? Just ram up on shore? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They were so awesome. And dolphins. How'd we get so lucky? I know. That is a big bummer.